This is our 1976 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk-around of the car. Following that, I'll do a second walk-around. I'll show close-ups of all of the cosmetic blemishes. Then after that, there'll be some shots of the interior and the car running and driving. So we purchased the car here locally from a friend of ours. His father had owned the car for the last 15 or so years. Driven it throughout the summers, a couple thousand miles a year. The car wears a respray of its correct original Chesterfield brown metallic, and that's over an antique light buckskin interior. The car has a light buckskin powered top. Body's in really nice shape. As I mentioned before, you will see close-ups of all the blemishes, but no major dents. There is a small chip ding on the driver door, but really nothing significant. The glass and light lenses are all clear and crack-free. The tires are close to new. The hubcaps are free of any damage. There is a little bit of chipping on the rear passenger wheel. Nothing significant again. You can see the plastic filler panels. They're always cracked up on these cars. These ones are perfect. Clearly have been done fairly recently. Color matching is perfect. Very high quality finish to the paint. No dust underneath it, no bubbling or run. Clearly done well. You can see in sunlight here how that color really looks in person. Very sharp in the sun. And again, no bubbling on the lower corners, which is, what we usually see on these cars. Now the blemishes. There is one, I forgot to get a video of it, but there's one extremely light scratch on the deck lid, the rear trunk lid. You'll see that. There's a little blemish there under the paint. That's on the driver quarter. And then these are the chips I had mentioned. You could consider the one in the middle a ding as well. But there are a handful of chips on the driver door. A couple more on the passenger door as well. And then the, by far and wide, most glaring spot on the car is when you come to the front bumper. You'll see it's all very nice around here, over the headlight. And then if you get to the driver's side, over the headlight, there's a little bubbling right there on the lower edge of the hood. Then in the middle, pretty far back on the hood, there's another little chip there. Interior is really clean. No kicked open markings on the door panels. Carpet's very good, as is the floor mat that sits on it. Steering wheel shows little to no age. The dash pad, you can see actually a little bit of the adhesive coming out from underneath the dash pad. When it gets closer up here over the odometer in a second, you'll see that. A little bit of adhesive visible, but the dash pad itself is very nice. There's no warping, no cracks, no damage of any sort, no discoloring, nothing like that. The gauges are all functional. The radio is functional. The one glaring flaw with the interior is that if you see where the windows are sitting right now, not all the way down, the passenger one does go down. The driver window, that is as far down as it will go. It gets until about, 3 inches from receding all the way. Front and rear seats both show, little to no wear. Very good. Powered top is functional and in great shape. You'll see photos of it.